Hey guys, at first I'd like to very much thank you every one of you for your likes, comments, wows, loves and everything. Your suggestions really matters to me. And today I've come up with another question. Why would you like numbers just like this? Why can't you write it like whatever you want? What's wrong with that? So in my this video is going to be divided into maybe three or four parts or two or three parts actually, but in this first part I'd like to introduce you to the origin, the evolution of this tradition of writing numbers like this, the tradition of writing numbers like in this modern manner. Okay. So, we all are familiar with the Roman numerals. This is Roman numeral 1, this is 2, the writing procedure of 4. I can go on and go on, but this 4 really I'm going to explain. Now, way before this, thousands of years ago, actually, scientists are assuming this is actually the first AD when there is a number system like this, where people are writing numbers like 1, 2, here is 3, and this is my 4. Okay, so our modern day numbers are actually originated from this one. Let me just show you how it works. If I flip this number, let's say I rotate it 90 degrees, this will become this. And this is our number 1. If I just put a hat and a base, it will actually become the number 1. Okay, so if I add this to, this will become number 2. If I add this will become my number 3. And if I add this will become my number 4. And go ahead and quickly search, Google it or do whatever in but if you're searching, just search Brahmi numbers, BRAMH, maybe HI. Hope I'm not messing with the spelling. So this is the actual name for our style of primitive style of or ancient style of representation of Indian numerals, and this has the name Brahmi numbers. So our modern day numbers are pretty close to this style of writing numbers, and this style is still evaluated to our modern day numbers, and you just seen it. So I'd like to introduce the question of my next video, and that will be a hell lot more scientific. Okay, I'll explain why this origins has a direct relation to our modern day science, and how scientists are explaining that how the let me just say about the question. So what am I going to say in my next video is that why this writing style like this double and triple line style has suddenly changed just after this number 3. Okay, here also the writing style changes just after number 3. So why this is so significant that we change our symbol, and here in the Romans we bring this guy, this is English alphabet V, this looks like English alphabet V, and this is looks like pretty close to plus. And actually this is our addition signs, that sign that we are actually using in our modern day for addition, but why we are using particularly this sign for addition and not any other sign? And there is a scientific reason and a lot of experiments behind this. So the next video is going to be a lot of experimental. I'll actually perform an experiment in my board, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.